In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Klaviyo. First things first, let's get you logged into your Klaviyo account. Open up your preferred web browser and search for Klaviyo, or simply type in klaviyo.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Hit that button and you'll be directed to the login page. Here you're going to enter your email and your password associated with your Klaviyo account. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your credentials, click on the login button once again to access your Klaviyo dashboard. You'll notice that the Klaviyo dashboard is user-friendly, boasting a clean and navigable interface. But for today's task, we're focusing on sending a test email, so let's dive straight into it. Navigate your way to the Campaigns tab. If you're finding it tricky to locate, remember it's usually tucked away under the Home tab or directly accessible on the dashboard. Click on Campaigns to move ahead. Here you'll be presented with a myriad of campaigns you might have created or worked on previously. If this is your first time, don't worry. The process will still be the same. Among the listed campaigns, select Sample Campaign or any campaign you wish to test. Remember, the campaign you select is not important since we're only sending a test email. Clicking on your chosen campaign will open up more details and options relevant to that campaign. Look for a button or link labeled Next. It should be fairly noticeable, and once you find it, click on it to move to the next stage of the process. Now, this is where the real fun begins, editing your campaign. Look out for an edit button which will allow you to make changes to your campaign's email content and design. Once in the editing mode, your creative skills can truly shine. However, hanging on to every detail isn't necessary for sending a test email. Just ensure it's in a decent state to send. After making your necessary edits, or if you just want to proceed with the test, find the preview and test option. This feature is invaluable, giving you the opportunity to see your email from a recipient's perspective. And yes, here comes the step you've been waiting for. Sending the test email. To send a test, you'll first need to enter a recipient email address. This could be your own email address or that of a colleague who's helping you test. After entering the desired email address, look for the Send Test button. The anticipation builds, but all you need to do is click this button and off goes your test email into the digital ether. Sending a test email is a crucial step in any email marketing campaign. It allows you to catch any errors, make necessary adjustments, and ensure your email appears as intended across different devices and email clients. Plus, it's a great way to get feedback from others before your email reaches your entire audience. So, what happens after you click Send Test? Well, patience is key. It could take a few minutes for the test email to land in the inbox. Once it does, go through it with a fine-tooth comb. Check for typos, formatting issues, or any links that might not be working as expected. Remember, this is your chance to catch mistakes and rectify them before your email campaign rolls out to your audience. And that wraps up our guide on sending a test email in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you can ensure that your email campaigns are polished and professional, ready to engage and captivate your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this one.